There you go.
Are the numbers going?
We're going.
All right.
You're live.
2013 Topps Prime Football.
One box break.
One
fresh
box.
case.
Fresh, cutting it right now.
Ooh,
1 through
prime.
6. Someone pick number 1 through
1
6.
through 6, top to bottom.
Somebody shoot a number out.
1 through 6, first number we see.
Okay.
Top to bottom, 1 through 6.
Not everybody all at once.
5.
5.
All right.
Thanks, Jason. 1.
Turn it. Oh, you turn it upside down. Make it easy. Take the second round down.
2,
3.
3, 4. 3 and 4. That's your 5. Give me back 6. Good luck, everybody.
Why are you yelling in my ear? Are there any teams left in this break or no?
This is the one of the guys that paid for.
Oh, Macintosh was asking.
The Giants were on paid for you.
The Giants were not paid for?
Was that Prime or Strata?
Oh, we got to check on that. Hold on.
Yeah, but I think we were doing live. Yeah, that was paid for.
All right.
Yeah, that was Strata.
No, no.
Strata.
Can you go back?
Oh. You want to see the score?
No, I don't want to see your brackets. No,
Everything was done.
It was all
Everything's
paid. No more teams, unfortunately. That's a big pack you got there.
There's an eBay auction, so everybody just bid on them. How about the National Treasures cases up, Josh? On eBay. These you can show all the cards. Too.
all of them you want to see?
Yeah, why not? It's
We're already
only 10
off for the
packs.
start.
Vance McDonald, level 5 auto quad jersey.
To $4.99 for the San Francisco 49ers.
Kenny Stills out of 350.
It's only 10 packs.
That's
Matt Barkley out of 99. What are these? Those rainbow or
yeah. What was that card missing? That right there.
Devontae?
That's a
Oh,
insert.
Devier Posey.
Devier Posey for the Houston Oilers. We're the Houston Oilers.
Love you, blow.
Cam Newton, Russell Wilson.
Base.
Prime timers, Rob Gronkowski. This is the last box for today, Macintosh.
National Treasures football case online.
Yeah, there's a National Treasures football case breakup online
eBay.
on eBay.
Another hit.
Quentin Patton, quad
Niners are kicking it today.
out of 99. 60 out of 99.
Taking it all the way over. Yeah, I can't see you.
Don't worry about
I can't see you. Don't let them know who you
it.
are.
Mike Lennon.
Mike Lennon, rookie.
That's the guy you want. Be a star.
Yeah. Sick.
Terrence Williams, primed rookies. Cowboys. Barcavius Mingo. I wish he was in every pack because I like
Saying his name.
saying Barcavius Mingo.
Gold.
Luke Kuechly, gold. Jonathan Franklin.
One more auto out of this, or is it just one?
I wasn't paying. It should be 4 hits. 2 autos, 2 relics.
There it is.
Andre Ellington.
Patch.
Ooh, nice patch. And jersey, 23 of 75. So now you get an auto, right? You did one, we got one auto.
Yeah, one silver. Should be one that.
It's a nice patch.
Ellington, he's in every break, man.
Yeah, I know. I see a lot of him.
There you go. I should have ended on Tony Romo.
Yeah.
Gold Romo.
Marcus Lattimore, another
And
Niner.
Lattimore for the Niners. Yet again.
Last pack.
Should be an auto on there, right? Yep.
That there is. Luke Kuechly. Cindy Rice.
No way, the Niners again.
Marcus Lattimore.
There's a Niners box. Is that the
Those are
refractor version?
25?
25. 14 of 25 on the
9.
Lattimore.
3 Niner hits in that box.
That was the...
And Eddie Lacy.
very
Bye
nice.
bye, everybody.
Whoever
Eddie
had the
Lacy's going to run by.
Niners
Sports
was a good
cards.
break, man. Own that box in the 90s.
Who had the 9?